Hi there, thanks for joining in and welcome to Southbridge. In this video, I will show you how to prevent HTML form from submitting data with JavaScript. Here is the demo sign-up form with default form submission. Let's enter some data and click Submit. As you can see in the URL, the form submitted the form data into the same resource with a getHTTP method. Usually, sign-up form will issue post request to a server, but sometimes we want to prevent it via JavaScript to perform client-side validation and logic. Now, here is a demo with preventing the form submission using JavaScript. As you can see, the form data is not posted into the URL and the page displayed an alert box instead. Now it's time to do some coding. Now here is the HTML form. There is a form element with get method and with ID of sign-up form. There are also 4 input elements for username, email, password, and confirm password. We also have the sign up button. Now let's view the CSS. You can create your own style rules, but this CSS will make the form look like this. Now let's proceed to JavaScript. Now let's get the form element through its ID, which is sign up form. We will add an event listener to the form element and we will use the submit event. Now we will supply a parameter to the function as event. The preventDefault method will be responsible for canceling or disabling the form submit event. Now let's display an alert message. Let's test our code in the browser. So that's it. That's how you can prevent form submission via JavaScript. Thank you and see you in the next video.